Welcome back to Need to Know, where every dough has a story and we're here to shape it together. Also, the place where we unlock the secrets of great bread making. If you've been following our series, you know we've covered the essential ingredients that form the foundation of every great loaf. But what about those special additions that elevate your bread from good to extraordinary? In this video, we're diving into the world of optional ingredients, those that enhance flavor, texture, and overall quality. We've already explored sugar, butter, and oil, and milk and dairy products. Today, we'll be focusing on eggs, seeds and nuts, spices and herbs, and cheese. We'll cover how they influence your bread and share some pro tips to help you bake like a pro. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on customizing your loaves. 1. Eggs. Richness, structure, and golden crust. Eggs are a powerhouse ingredient in bread making. They add richness, deepen the color of your crumb, and improve the structure of your bread. The proteins in eggs help bind the dough, making it stronger and more elastic, while the fats contribute to a softer, more tender crumb. Breads like challah and brioche owe their signature richness to eggs. Pro tip: for a stunning golden crust, brush your loaf with a beaten egg before baking. If you want a softer shine, mix in a tablespoon of milk or water with the egg wash. 2. Seeds and nuts. Crunch, flavor, and nutrition. Adding seeds and nuts to your dough not only enhances texture, but also boosts the nutritional profile of your bread. Sunflower, sesame, flax, and pumpkin seeds provide crunch, while walnuts, almonds, and pecans add depth of flavor. Seeds are also packed with healthy fats and fiber, making your bread both delicious and wholesome. Pro tip: always toast your nuts and seeds before adding them to the dough. This unlocks their natural oils, intensifies their flavor, and prevents them from tasting raw. 3. Spices and herbs. Aromatic and flavorful. Want to take your bread to the next level? Spices and herbs can completely transform a simple loaf into something spectacular. Sweet spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom are perfect for enriched breads, while savory herbs like rosemary, thyme, or basil work beautifully in rustic or focaccia-style breads. Pro tip: to ensure even distribution and prevent clumping, mix spices with wet ingredients before incorporating them into the dough. This allows the flavors to infuse properly throughout the bread. 4. Cheese. Savory, melty, and crispy. Who doesn't love a cheesy loaf? Cheese adds a deep umami richness to bread, and depending on the type, it can create a beautifully crisp topping when baked. Hard cheeses like Parmesan give a sharp, nutty flavor, while softer cheeses like cheddar or mozzarella create a melty, gooey texture inside the bread. Pro tip: for a cheesy boost, mix shredded cheese directly into the dough or sprinkle some on top during the last 5 to 10 minutes of baking for a crisp, golden finish. Conclusion: and there you have it. These optional ingredients can take your bread from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're looking for a richer texture, a nutty crunch, an aromatic twist, or a cheesy delight, experimenting with these additions will help you create unique and flavorful breads. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite optional ingredient to use in bread making? Have you tried adding spices or cheese to your loaves? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one and would love to hear about your baking adventures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Need to Know for more bread making tips and techniques. Until next time, happy baking!